Hi my dear student, today we will discuss about introduction of Gaussian elimination method or rank method. Okay, we have a linear equation with three variables x, y and z. We are going to discuss about Gaussian elimination method, how to proceed the problem, or the rank method. Both are same. Very first step, the linear equation x, y, z. First write the matrix equation is, write the coefficient of x, y, z in order a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33 with the variable x, y, z which is equal to constant c1, c2, c3. This is your matrix equation Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient of x, y, z, x or the variable x, y, z, B constant value appear in the right hand side of the linear equation c1, c2, c3. Now augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is, write together A and B. A11, A12, A13, C1. A21, A22, A23, C2. A31, A32, A33, C3. Okay. Very first step, the matrix equation which is Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient of x, y, z, x are the variable, B constant value from the linear equation from the right hand side. Next, augmented matrix. You wanted to write A and B together. A and B together. Now, you want to use elementary operation. You want to bring into echelon form. Okay. You want to bring into echelon form. After bringing into echelon form, discuss the rank. Case 1. If rank of A comma B and rank of A. Rank of A comma B means these 3 rows, 4 columns. Rank of A means only 3 rows, 3 columns. First 3 rows, first 3 columns. Okay. So rank of A comma B is 3 rows, 4 columns. Rank of A is only first 3 rows, 3 columns. Whether rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal and equal to number of unknown. Unknown means variable. So rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal to number of unknown. System consistent, solution unique. Got it? Case 2. Rank of A comma B and rank of A are not equal. Rank of A comma B and rank of A are not equal. In this case, system is inconsistent. Solution is no solution. The word inconsistent will come in case of no solution. If solution does not appear, it is not possible, then the system is inconsistent. Rank of A comma B and rank of A are not equal. System inconsistent, no solution. Case 3. If rank of A comma B equal to rank of A but less than number of unknown. So in this case, system is consistent, solution infinitely many solution. So listen, case 1. The rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal to number of unknown. It means number of variable. System consistent, unique solution. In this case, rank of A comma B is 3, rank of A is 3, number of unknown is 3. So system unique solution. Second case, rank of A comma B and rank of A are not equal. System inconsistent, no solution. In this case, it may be 3, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 1. I mean the rank of A comma B and rank of A are different, not equal, system inconsistent, no solution. Case 3. Rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal, but it is less than the number of unknowns. In this case, we have two possibilities. Rank of A comma B and rank of A 3 which is equal to number of unknowns. So case 1. Otherwise, rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal, which is equal to 2 but less than 3. In this case, rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal. It may be equal to 2 but less than 3. System consistent. It has infinitely many solutions by introducing one parameter. What is mean by one parameter? We are going to introduce any one of the variable x, y, z as dummy variable which belongs to R. Second case. Suppose rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal, this time 1 which is less than 3. Here two parameters we may introduce. It means we may choose any two variable declaring as dummy variable which belongs to real number. Suppose rank of A comma B, rank of A are equal to 2, less than 3, one number reduced means one parameter. In general, we may take z as some constant k belongs to R. So it gives infinitely many solutions, your x, y in terms of k solution. Rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal to 1. In this case, less than 3. So two numbers reduced. So two parameter will come. In this case, any two variable declared as dummy variable which belongs to R. Suppose I will take z as k, y as some t, where t and k belongs to R. Then x in terms of t and k. That is what we are getting infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution means compulsory at least one variable as dummy variable or two variables are dummy variable in this case. Is it clear? These are the possible outcomes by using Gaussian elimination method. Unique solution, only one solution, so one way. No solution, so no possibility, either these two ranks are not equal. And in this case, rank of A comma B and rank of A are equal but less than the number of unknown. In this case, number of unknown is 3. The possibility is equal to 2 less than 3, equal to 1 less than 3. If comparing with the number of variable, if reduced by 1, one dummy variable or one parameter will come. Reduced by two numbers, then two parameter, two dummy variable will come. So in these two cases only, we will say the solution is infinitely many solution because we are introducing dummy variable. For giving different values for dummy variable, we will get infinitely many solution. Is it clear?